Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a special review of a watch that I actually won the lottery of to be able to buy it, not in the sense of money, but in the sense of allocation. Um, so this is the M.A.D one, and as you can see, this is the box that comes with it. Here's the case, so definitely a cardboard, even paper box, and you get with the watch a pouch, really nice one, good material as well. You get also this awesome UAV light, which you can fill in loom pips of your watch and the whole loom of the watch, which we'll discuss also afterwards. I'm trying to light them all up, and you can charge it with USB, I think, like this. So easy to use. So this is basically the package that comes with the watch. And as you can see, they did save a lot of money on the package compared to other watch brands. I have to congratulate them on that. And yeah, let's get back to the watch. So you get a digital manual to set up the watch, winding and everything else. You get also all the technical details about the watch on the website. I will put the description below, all the technical details, including the Miyota 8105 caliber inverted, the construction that we have here, as you can see from the case, from the inverted movement. And if we take out the crown winding mechanism, you have here the telling time, let's say loom. So if you look at this loom, you'll be able to tell the time. And if you move the crown clockwise, actually anti-clockwise, then you move the time forward and so on. So that's how you set up the time. I ordered actually with the watch a small strap. So they were kind enough to send me a medium size because the small size was really small. And as you can see, if we close this one, fits quite well on my 17 centimeter wrist. Of course, it's a big watch, thick watch, 18.8, but 50 lug to lug, so quite good on my wrist, as you can see. And I can even put it to one hole further up to have it even lock more on my wrist, to be more, because this is one of the watches you want to wear actually really tight on the wrist. That's why I actually got for it this paratrooper, which I wore before I got the strap. And then after I got the strap from them, they're really fast, to be honest. They send it right away. So yeah, I think from a technical standpoint, it's just so mesmerizing. You get to look at it from this perspective and then check out the watch. And I had a lot of compliments, a lot of people when I was wearing it the past couple of days, weeks. A lot of compliments on it as well. So definitely, for me, it's worth the money, and yeah, definitely really cool. I'll put it on the strap and then end it with the verdict. And here's how it looks on this paratrooper on my wrist. I really like it on the paratrooper. It looks really understated as well. If you can say understated about an 18.8 millimeter watch that has the rotor on the dial side, and it always wants to move around. But yeah, it just pulls it everything together. So you get the strap, you get the watch, you get the UV light, and you get the experience of wearing a watch that usually the similar watches that mb&F have, as you all know, are unattainable for most. And definitely thankful for having the watch. I actually checked out Chrono 24 after they started sending this, and there was 67 people that was selling their Max Busser M.A.D 1, of course for double triple what they paid for. And I find this really, I was discussing this with a friend, and we find it really sad, to be honest, that people does this. And I will definitely cherish this watch. I'm not gonna sell it. If I'm going to sell it, it will be in the far future, because I need money for maybe another watch or for any other reason. But I'm not gonna sell it in the hype time where everybody's selling it, and I will wear it and enjoy it. And I really thankful that I was chosen in this let's say lottery system to be able to buy the watch. And yeah, so let me know what you think about the watch, about the system of lottery, of allocation of the watch, instead of having waiting lists, unending waiting lists. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch. And hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.